Hey Valley Middle, welcome back to another math video. Tonight we're going to be looking at domain and range. Before we start that, let's get our trivia question out of the way. Is there any sporting equipment on the moon? I'll be back with the answer to that after instruction. Tonight officially our target. I can identify the domain and range of a function table. Let's do this thing. Hello, my name is Army the Armadillo. Okay, I don't know why I'm doing that, but an armadillo sleeps 19 hours a day. The only reason I put this on there is because I would love to be an armadillo. That's about what I could sleep per day if I wanted to, on a summer day at least. All right, write an equation using two variables to show the relationship between the number of hours H an armadillo sleeps and the number of days. So let's just take a look at this function table, in and out table here. Here's the input. 1 day, well, the function, it's 1 times 19 hours, so there's 19 hours slept. 2 days, 38 hours. And you can just see the way this function table, there's nothing new that you don't understand, correct? Well, guess what? This is the domain, and this is the range. Domain, range. Domain, range. Are you getting sleepy? Here it is. The domain is the x value, the input. The range is the output, or the y value. And of course, we don't always have this here, the function part, we don't always show that. Sometimes we just show an x and y table, but that's the function, what's happening. You've been looking at these since you were little kids, and you looked at little robots where you put something in the robot, in one robot arm, and it comes out the other. Same thing, input, output, domain, range, domain, range, domain, range. All right, let's try a couple. What's the domain and range of the following function table? Well, let's take a look. The domain is going to be here. It does not include the x. It's just the values. The y is here. It does not include the y. So the domain will be 1, 2, 3, 4. The range, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay? Time for you to try one. Here's your first pause problem. What's domain and range of the following function table? And label them domain and range. All right, let's see how you did. The domain, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how I put them in parentheses and commas in between. That's called set notation. That's the way we usually do this. And then the range, -7, -5, -3, -1, and 1. You can see the pattern, see? Each one is getting 2 larger. So -1 to 0 to 1. All right, I may even made you do just a little bit of work there. Okay, let's take a look at another one. What is the domain and range of the following function table? Okay. Well, the domain, 0, 3, 5, 7, 10, 12. 0, 3, 5, 7, 10, 12. Set notation, commas in between. The range, 0, 12, 20, 28, 40, 48. 0, 12, 20, 28, 40, 48. There we got it. You notice I'm not asking you for the function. I'm just asking you to identify the domain, the range, domain, range. So how do you remember this? Well, I don't know why so many people forget this. I mean, look at in, out, x, y, domain, range. They're in alpha order. Alpha order, I before O, X before Y, D before R, domain, range, domain, range, domain, range. I'm getting seasick watching that thing. All right, here we go. Here's the function table. Identify the domain and range on this bad boy. That's all you got for your ticket tonight. Very simple. Okie dokie then. You want to see this, don't you? All right. Is there any sporting equipment on the moon? As a matter of fact, there are golf balls. Now, some people say there's 2 hit by Alan Shepard. I connected on the fairway, back in '86, and I'm pretty sure that baby went to the moon. We never did find it, so that's my evidence. But here, let me pause the video, and I'll show you him hitting the balls on the moon. I'm just going to cue up the video. Okay, it's pretty blurry, and the audio is horrible, but I'm just going to play it. Let you watch. They come out. He's headed to the hole. It looks like he's got about a 9 iron there, and he's teeing up the ball. Cinderella boy. Up from Augusta. Landed on the moon. Looks like he's teeing up. Checking the weather out. Checking the gravity. Here we go. And he swings. Oh, I think he fanned on it. Let's try that one more time. Get the new ball down. Here, you can take it out of the old spacesuit pocket. Lays it down. Cinderella boy up from Augusta. And that one looks like it's in the hole. It's a great shot. It's in the hole. It's a miracle. Sorry, that was a little Caddyshack. Couldn't resist. Ask your dad. If he's old enough, he'll laugh at it. All right, there we go. A little bit of Alan Shepard golfing on the moon. All right, have a great night.